Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Mains 2019. If two line x plus a minus 1 into y equal to 1 and 2x plus a square y equal to 1 are perpendicular, then the distance of their point of intersection from the origin is. So student, here given lines are x plus a minus 1 into y equal to 1. Its gradient is a minus 1 into y equal to minus x plus 1 and y equal to minus x over a minus 1 plus 1 upon a minus 1. Here comparing y equal to mx plus c. So m1 is minus 1 upon a minus 1. And from second equation we have 2x plus a square y equal to 1, making y equal to a square y equal to 1 minus 2x or y square equal to minus 2x over a square plus 1 upon a square. Here gradient of this line is minus 2 upon a square. Since it is given that lines are perpendicular to each other, therefore product of their gradient equal to minus 1. Okay, so putting these values here, m1 is minus 1 upon a minus 1 into m2 is minus 2 upon a square equal to minus 1. So this become positive, and 2 equal to minus a square into a minus 1, or 2 equal to minus a cube plus a square. So taking in one side a cube minus a square plus 2 equal to 0. If we put a equal to minus 1 in this, we got minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, so plus 2 cancel, so it is factor. Therefore a equal to minus 1, a equal to minus 1 is a factor of equation. So value of a is minus 1. So putting these values, we got the equation x equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2y equal to 1, and we put value here minus 1, so minus 2 2x and plus a square is 1 plus y equal to 1. So we got two values or two equation from this. Now solving these, operating as multiplying this second by 2 and adding with first. So here it become x minus 2y equal to 1 and 4x plus 2y equal to 2. So on adding 2 by 2y cancel, x plus 4x, this become 5x equal to 3. Okay, 3. So x equal to 3 upon 5, and y equal to, y from here x equal to x minus 2y equal to 1, therefore x minus 1 equal to 2y. So putting this value 3 minus 3 upon 5 minus 1 equal to 2y, this become minus 2 upon 5 equal to 2y, 2 cancel, y equal to minus 1 upon 5. So point of intersection is 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 5, and distance of this point from origin 0 0 o is d equal to under root 3 square upon 25 plus 1 square upon 25. 3 plus 1, sorry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 upon 25, or 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. So 2 upon root 5 is the distance between the point of intersection of the line and the origin. So A is the correct answer. So student, taking m1 and m2 equal to -1, we got gradient of two lines from the given equation, and getting the value of A, we get the equation, and after solving these equation we get point of intersection, and finally we find the distance between the given point and the origin. So I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.